This is the bandana mask added with an eye mask, which you can see has got a seal around it. You can pull it down to adjust your face, and what you can do is with the knot, you just pull it just under your chin or just around your chin line, just to secure that area too, so you're not breathing in any pollutants. So there you have it, the bandana mask, free to you with no sewing. And as you can see, this is one of the wigs I've made. Let me know if you like it, give me a like if you do like the video. If you want to see anything more, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.